Hi guys, it's Natalie, your public speaking and communication coach. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 important tips on how to be more engaging in your next online/virtual meeting. Plus, if you want a freebie, make sure you watch till the very end of this video. Let's go! Now, ever since COVID-19 turned our lives upside down, millions of people who are in the workforce have now had to do their physical meetings in their homes. So some people are having meetings in their living room, at their kitchen table, or even on their beds. Now, according to a recent study by the researchers at the Harvard Business School, employees have been attending more meetings as compared to pre-COVID times, but these meetings are taking place virtually. So with this new normal in place, we have to admit it. The office as we know it has changed. Your office now takes place online. And you need to connect with your bosses and your colleagues via a computer screen using an app like Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, or whatever else there is. And the hardest part about using these apps is you need to make sure that every single participant is engaged, is having fun, is interested. In short, is not bored. Admit it, you've probably been in one of these meetings where the seconds, they felt like hours. The person who's talking is so boring, and everything that's being said could be said in an email. And tell me the truth, you probably wish this meeting would end sooner. So, how do you make your next online meeting less boring and way more interesting with good public speaking and effective communication? Well, here are 3 tips. Rule number 1 is the 60-second rule. If you have a problem and it needs a solution and this is why you've called the meeting, well, what you need to do is allow your participants to feel the problem. In the first 60 seconds, you could share a video or a tweet or even a shocking statistic to make them feel and experience the problem at hand. Tip number 2 is your voice and your face. Now, the tone of your voice plays a huge part in keeping your audience engaged. If you speak in a continuous, monotonous pitch and tone with 0 expressions, such as this person,
I'm so happy with the progress that we have made. I just want to thank my team members because I'm very happy.
Then you are going to bore your attendees to absolute death. Learn and understand voice modulation, which essentially is the control and adjustment of your voice. And don't forget to match your face with what you're saying. Tip number 3 is to jumpstart your meeting with an icebreaker. Beginning your meeting with an icebreaker will activate the right brain, and this sets the stage for creativity and also participation. This will also get every attendee in the meeting more comfortable with speaking to each other and participating. Get your participants to do like a virtual room tour or even ask them what Netflix show they're watching at the moment. The simplest thing that you can do as an icebreaker is to just ask every person or a few people how they are coping with work from home. So those are my 3 tips on how you can make your next online or virtual meeting more exciting for yourself and also your participants. Now, if you want more tips, well, good news! I'll be holding a free online workshop this 14th of November 2020 from 10:30 a.m. all the way until 11:30 a.m. In this 1 hour, I'll be sharing with you public speaking and effective communication tips for you to create more interesting, more engaging online or virtual meetings. Now, space is limited, so make sure you sign up quick. You can view all my contact details and also workshop details at www.nataliekaniza.com. I'll see you online soon.